Hey everybody, and welcome to Shopping with Shana. We are here yet again for another week at Walgreens, and I'm planning quite the haul. So let's go see if we can do it.
Yeah.
So I have some register rewards from last week that I'm going to use to keep my out-of-pocket down. So I'm not going to include that with all of the scenarios, but this is what's going to help me to keep my out-of-pocket lower. The first deal we're going to look at is going to be with the Dove shampoo and conditioner. Now they're regularly priced at $6.49, but they're on sale for $5, and we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So we'll pay $5 out of pocket with 2 of them, and then we're going to get $5 register reward, making them completely free. This is one of the most amazing deals this week. So unfortunately, my store only has conditioners for the Dove. So we've got that, the Bond Strength, we have the Intensive Repair, and we have the Daily Moisture. So all conditioners. Another shampoo deal we're going to do is with the Garnier Fructis. They're regularly priced at $5.49. They're on sale for $3.99. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So we're going to pay $4.98 out of pocket, but get $4 register reward, making it just 98 cents or 49 stinking cents each. This is a really, really good deal. I'm definitely grabbing this. Alright, here's my first transaction that I'm going to do. So we have the Dove for 5 each or 10 total, and then the Garnier Fructis for 4 each or 8 total. We're going to use a 5 off 2 digital coupon for the Dove and a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Garnier. That's going to leave our out of pocket at $9.98. I'm going to use $7 in register rewards. If you don't have that, it'll be $9.98 out of pocket. So then we'll get $5 back for the Dove, and we'll get $4 back for the Garnier, making it just 98 cents total plus tax. So that's a pretty awesome deal. Transaction number 2, we're going to start out with the Garnier Whole Blends. We are going to split up the transaction since it's the same promotion, but they're regularly priced at $6.79. They're on sale for $3.99. We're going to buy 2 of them at $7.98. There's a different 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Whole Blends. We'll use that, pay $4.98 out of pocket, get a $4 register reward, making this only just 49 cents each, 98 cents total. Another amazing deal. So this Dove body wash deal is on repeat from last week. Check your account. You should have got another 8 off 2 digital coupon. If you used your one last week, there is a different one there for you to use this week. So these are regularly priced at $9.99. They're on sale for $7. So 2 of them together is $14 total. We're going to use that 8 off 2 digital coupon and pay $6 out of pocket. We're going to get a $3 register reward back, and that's going to leave our final cost at $3 total or $1.50 each. Really awesome deal here. All right, Carmen, what flavors did we get this week? We got the coconut and we got the cherry. Coconut and cherry. What do you think?
I like cherry, but I don't love cherry. Coconut.
We're not eating it. All right, so the last deal I want to do for my transaction is an oral care deal. So we're going to grab one of the Colgate Optic White toothpaste that's on sale for $4, regularly priced at $4.99. Or then we can grab one of the Optic White toothbrushes, regularly priced $5.99, on sale for $4. Another option would be the mouthwash, but my store is out, so we're going to go with toothbrush this week. Okay, so the deal is we're going to grab one of the Colgate toothbrushes and one of the Colgate toothpaste there, $4 on sale each, so $8 total. There are 2 different 2 off 1 coupons, one for the toothpaste, one for the toothbrush or the mouthwash, but we're going with the toothbrush. We'll pay out of pocket $4, but then when we buy 2, we're gonna get a $4 register reward. So it's gonna make these completely free, which is awesome.
So good. It's like, I can't believe it. It's like so good.
Honorable mention here is going to be the Purex. It's regularly priced at $8.99, on sale for $1.99, and there's $1 back for my bottom, making them just 99 cents. So that's a really great one to grab. Also, Dawn dish soap that's regularly priced at $3.99, on sale for $2.99. We have 2 off 2 digital coupon, making them $1.99 each. I also love this deal on the Walgreens sandwich bags, snack bags, storage bags, freezer bags. They're regularly priced at $3.49. They're on sale for $2.79, and it's buy 1, get 2 free. So grab 3 of them and pay $2.79 out of pocket. It makes them like 93 cents each. Also, there's a deal on the small and medium garbage bags. These are regularly priced at $4.99. They're also buy 1, get 2 free. So you'll pay $5 basically for 3 of them, which is a pretty decent deal. So this transaction consists of the whole blends at $3.99 each, $7.98 total. The 2 Doves at $7 each, or $14 total. And then the Colgate for $4 each, or $8 total. Then we're going to use the 3 off 2 for the whole blends. We're going to use the 8 off 2 for the Dove, and we're going to use a 2 off 1 for each one of those. $14.98 is the total there. What I'm going to do is I am going to personally use a $5 from last week, and then a $5 from that first transaction, and only pay $4.98 out of pocket and get $11 back in register rewards. Remember, we're going to be getting $4 back for the whole blends, $3 back for the Dove, and we're going to get $4 back for the Colgate. And then we'll have some for next week, so stay tuned.
All right, so we got most of it. We did have one hitch in the giddy up.
So everything went okay except for this 5 off manufacturer coupon. I totally just realized why this was rejected. Look at that date. I was thinking I had till next week. It expired 2 days ago. Walgreens generally will take expired coupons up to 24 hours late, but this is 2 days late. So I probably just lost $5 from last week. It is what it is, but that's okay. That was just my out-of-pocket was going to be $5 less, but everything else worked perfectly. So the first deal went great. I got, like I said, 2 of the Dove conditioners, and I got 2 of the Fructis. And it was 10 total, $3.99, $3.99. All my coupons came off, and the subtotal was $2.98 out of pocket. Both my $3 and $4 register reward came off, so that's why it's so low. And with tax, I paid $4.06. I did get back the $4 for the Garnier, and lo and behold, I got a $7 spin booster. Now, I also got back the $5 that I was expecting, but I used that on the second transaction. Second transaction here was the 2 Dove body washes for $7 each. Then we had the Colgate for $4, both Colgates. One was the toothpaste, one was the toothbrush, and then the whole blends was $3.99 each. We had the $5 register reward from the first transaction, then the 8 off 2 coupon, the 3 off 2 coupon, and then the 2 off coupons for the Colgate. Subtotal was $9.98. It should have been $4.98 had the other $5 worked, but it didn't. That's okay. And then with tax, I paid $11.78. However, I got the 3 back on the Unilever, which is the Dove, the 2 Dove body washes. 4 back on the Garnier, and the $4 back on the Colgate.
So Carmen and I are going to head back to the house. We're going to put everything together, and I'm going to do the math for you to show you how much I paid out of pocket with and without the extra register rewards there, and how much it totaled all together.